I hope your trading is going really well. I'd love to help you out with your trading activities. So I've got a proposal for you which I think you're going to really like. By now you probably know that my market analysis is quite good. I've been analyzing the markets for many years. And if you've been following my analysis that I've been setting out recently, you will probably see that my accuracy is quite high. I have documented proof that my accuracy is about 70%. So I think I'm quite good at analyzing the markets for gold, oil, and US equities. If you could use my market analysis and I could give this to you in a way that you can use this, I think we can improve your trading profit big time. And I want to quickly talk to you about how we can do this to help you out. Would it help you if I shared all my analysis with you as and when I did my analysis? All my short-term analysis, all my medium-term analysis, and all my long-term analysis. Would it help? Exact entry points, buy or sell, exact target prices, and exact stop loss. Do you think you could take that analysis and execute trades on that and make a lot of profit? I certainly believe you could, because if I have an accuracy of 70%, you are very likely to make substantial profit using my analysis. So I have come up with a proposal where I'm happy to share with you all my market analysis. What I'm proposing is I be your expert market analyst. And you being the trader, we decide whether you want to execute the trades on my analysis or not. Sometimes you might like my analysis and you want to execute the trades. Sometimes maybe you don't want to execute the trades. So you be the trader and I'll be the market analyst. As I mentioned, with each analysis, I will give you the exact entry points, whether it's a buy or sell. I will give you the exact cutout point, the stop loss, where you should close the position if it's not working out, and the exact target prices. So you will know exactly what to do with that analysis. I am absolutely certain that with my support helping you with my market analysis, we can improve your trading profits big time. And to have me as a dedicated market analyst, you don't need to hire me as an employee. You don't need to give me a big salary. I will be your freelance market analyst. I think this would be a great way for you to have my skills, my experience, and my expertise in the markets to help you out without committing to having a full-time employee. You'll get all my market analysis as and when I create them. I create market analysis when there are opportunities. And when there is an opportunity that I can see, you will be the first person to know about it. We both know very well with my market analysis and a single trade idea, you could make anything between 50,000 to 500,000 profit on one trade. My job would be only to do market analysis for you. I sit here at my desk all day and I analyze the markets, I follow the markets. I am not offering to work with you as an employee, therefore I don't need a big salary, I don't need all the benefits, nothing. So I am just simply advising you as a consultant on what the next best trading opportunity is. So let's head over to my computer and let me show you an example of some trades I did recently with my clients so you can understand exactly what to expect from me. So let's have a look at this chart of Brent crude oil. I do on a 4-hourly basis, so I can show you the past analysis that I've had since crude oil broke above the $100 level. Now, what you will see is when the price did pull back, that created an opportunity to do a lot of trading. When Brent crude oil came back down to around the 100-ish level, one of the analysis I give to my clients is that Brent crude oil should be pushing back up towards 125, which it did. If you zoom in here, you'll see there's some lines here. Each of these lines that I have, they represent a trading opportunity. So you can see there are multiple trading opportunities I gave my client. So that's 16 trade opportunities since March that I've been giving my clients. So I'm not expecting you to understand the technicals that I'm doing here. When I give you my analysis, I will give you a chart like this for the exact trade opportunity, and I will write down exactly what price to buy or sell, what price to close the trade as stop loss, and what price to close the trade as a target. So let's zoom in, and I'll show you one literally that I sent to my clients just a few days ago. So if we zoom in here, you'll see I've got a trend line here. When that trend line was broken, it became obvious to me that crude oil is coming down. So crude oil went up to 125 again. Everybody in the market was probably thinking, hold on, mint is going even higher. So when I was telling my clients that, hold on, the crude oil is going to come back down, it's going to come somewhere near 100, 105. Yeah, some of my clients thought I was a bit crazy, but look what's happened, guys. In the last few days, crude oil has been coming down. Today is down about 4% already. Yeah. So in this case, I've given a trade idea to my clients to short Brent crude, and if they did short the Brent crude, then that was a brilliant opportunity. So we're expecting Brent crude to head towards somewhere near 105. So this is basically how it worked. So I will give you on regular basis my analysis on what trade opportunity there is. I'll give you the exact entry, exit, and target prices, and you can just execute those trades using your own techniques, whatever knots you want to do, and things like that. In return for taking me on as your freelance market analyst, I will be totally dedicated to you. I will be accessible to you. You can call me anytime for any information that you want on the market, providing I have the information. I'm trying to help you and guide you as much as possible. The main thing that I'll be giving you are trade ideas. You see, when there is a trade opportunity for you to execute, you will get all my market analysis on time because I'm always following the markets. If it is urgent, I will call you. I won't be working with hundreds of different clients because I want to give my dedicated attention to my clients. So this is an exclusive opportunity only for a few clients. So it is strictly first come, first served basis. And of course, you being my client will be 100% confidential. I don't discuss my client information with anybody. I do not discuss my client's trading secrets with anybody. I do not discuss how my client does business with anybody. I know this is important to you because this is a small market here in Dubai. So nobody will know that you are my client. I will always be available, no matter where I am in the world, whether I'm in London, Dubai, Singapore, or somewhere else. I will always be available and accessible to you. I will always be following the markets, and I will always be updating you to help you out. So let's take some time out and meet to discuss this in detail. I'm sure if you have some questions that you want to ask me, or let's have a phone call and discuss this further, and let's see how we can make this work for you. Thanks so much for your time watching this. I hope we can do something together. I'll be waiting to hear back from you. You take care. Bye-bye.